This is Haiti Now report about health problems reported by children. This dataset is produced by FAFO Research Foundation and Haitian Institute of Childhood, supported by UNICEF. For this report, number of children reporting health problems were 1617, among which CDW children, that is child domestic worker children, are 494 and non-CDW children are 1105. Overall, 59.9% of children have reported having at least one health problem. If we see here, for the girls' health problem, we can see that number of CDW girls are about 295 and number of non-CDW girls are 519. Overall, about 61.8% of girls have reported having at least one problem. If we look at the CDW girls, we can see that there are 295 and 61.2% of kids have reported at least one health problems. If we see here, headaches, chest pain, fever, coughing or other respiratory problems are the most common problems reported. 36.6% of CDW girls have reported headaches. 16.3% have reported fever. 15.6% of girls have reported coughing or respiratory problems. 18.6 kids have reported chest pain. And 13.2% of girls have reported body pains. If we come to number of problems reported simultaneously, we can see that 38.8% of kids have not reported any problems. 25.6 reported at least one problem, in which headache being the major problem reported by the girls. 14.7% reported at least having two problems simultaneously, in which we can see that headaches, chest pain and fever are the major problems that have been reported simultaneously. About 7.7% of the girls have reported having at least three problems simultaneously, in which we can see headaches, fever, coughing or respiratory problems, chest pain. They are being the major common problems. And about 5.1% girls have reported having four problems simultaneously, and we can see that headaches, chest pains, back pain, body pain being the major problems for them.